Got another t-shirt, what I think that is. So. It should be coming all around today.
All of it?
Well, 3 or 4 things that I didn't get from Amazon Prime, but like from a different seller, it was like less money. Are coming 24th, 25th. Hopefully those things are in good condition. They said it was.
Yeah. You mean like a different seller on Amazon?
Yeah, it said new though, so
Yeah. Squishy.
hopefully.
What do you think this is? Maybe this is the t-shirt.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Oh, all our mail is in the picture.
Good job, Devin.
Devin!
Whoa.
What?
Oh, this thing. I thought that was coming the 25th.
Cool. It's so creepy.
No.
Attack of the Clones. How do you say it? Townway? Tonway?
Conway, I think? I don't know. Anyway, that was one of the things that was supposed to come like the 25th because I bought this for $1.98 plus $3.99 shipping instead of the usual like $9 that Amazon Prime would charge. So it was
Crazy.
actually a deal. Gotta look around. I wonder what this is. I don't know what this can be. Oh, this movie with Malcolm McDowell. Pretty weird. It's different. And last but not least, I'm guessing this is the t-shirt. This is Newberry Comics, so I don't know. Oh, it is a t-shirt.
Aha.
This was packaged more well than the other one. But,
Let's see it. Los Pollos Hermanos.
yes.
Very cool.
Yes.
Sweet.
Alright, so, that's what today.
Come
Little Anthony! Come look.
look at this sweet stuff.